Okay, so I wanted to bring the newest update from Instagram to you live inside of my Instagram app. So I'm recording this in my Instagram app, so I want to show you exactly how to do it. So here I am inside my Instagram stories. Remember, to get to your Instagram stories, all you have to do is go to your Instagram account, either press the plus button at the top and go to story, or do it the traditional way, do the home key, swipe to the right, and you open up your stories. Once you're in your stories, you can actually record your story and then add captions to your Instagram story automatically. So here we go. Hey everyone, I'm just going to do this quick story to show you how you can add Instagram stories captions directly into your stories app inside of your Instagram stories. This is going to be a game changer for those people who listen to your stories but can't actually have the audio on, or those people who have an issue with actually listening to the story. Okay, so once you've done your story, all you have to do is click the sticker option. And as you can see, there is this captions option here. So go ahead and click the captions option. And Instagram is going to actually auto-transcribe your audio inside of Instagram stories. Now, as you can see, this is quite big and bold in front of the picture here. So all you have to do is click along the bottom and you have 4 different styles for your transcription and your caption. So go along and check which one you like the best. And then once you're happy with your option, you can actually move it around by bringing it down so it's not on top of your face. And you can also click on it to change the colour. So if you want to change the colour, you can go along and change the colour. And if you want to colour from within your picture, don't forget you can use the Doppler and then choose a colour from within your picture. Of course, if you don't do the right colour, you'll lose it. So just go along. I'm going to have it white on my dark background. Once you're happy, click done. And then you do have to do it for both options. So my story was recorded longer than 15 seconds, so I have 2 tiles in here. So I have to go to the next one and just repeat that process. So click it, add the captions on, let it do the transcription, and then you're all ready to go. Then all you have to do is click the next button and share it to your Instagram stories. And if you have your Instagram stories connected to your Facebook business page stories, you can go ahead and share it to your Facebook business page stories as well. Once you're done, click the done button and you're all sorted. Wait for it to load up into your story, click your story, and you can see your captions showing up in your story. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget that if you're watching this on YouTube to hit that subscribe button for me, ring the bell so that you get updated the next time I upload a Instagram update like this or any other video that I upload to do with Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing and video marketing. My name's Anita Wong, and if you have any questions about this video, drop them in the comments below this video. And if you're watching this on Instagram or on Facebook or LinkedIn or Pinterest, then don't forget to give me a follow there too. Bye for now.